In this video, I will show you how to sign up for a UPS business account. To do this, first just head over to ups.com. From there, what you want to do is go to be the boss of your shipments. So you can see this is UPS My Choice for Business. If you don't see it on the home screen here, you can also just search for UPS My Choice for Business and then click on that link. But if you do see it, just click on Get Started right here. Then from here, you can go and enter your first and last name, email, your phone number, username and password. And then you need to agree to the UPS tariff and terms and conditions of service. So if you agree, click on that and then click sign up. So after clicking on sign up, they will ask you to enter the verification code that was sent to your email. So simply enter that right there. And then click verify my email. From there, to enroll your business, they will ask for a few details such as your business name, country or territory, your address, and your state. Then confirm your contact information. And then after doing that, you will have created your UPS business account and you can now start using UPS for your business for example, shipping packages. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.